It's crazy when you're on these long road trips, there's so much that you gotta keep track of and be prepared for.
Being on the road as much as we've been, now we've got all these things pretty dialed in at this point.
So to start off with, I wanna make sure I have a good solid backpack for going into the backcountry. I wanna make sure I've got different sleeping bags, a bear canister. I mean, even when you're not in bear country, these babies will protect your food from other little critters. Tents. I got headlamps, gloves, sunscreen. I'm really proud of this one. This is my water bottle stash. This one is actually a foam roller. If you ever need to roll out anything, your back, this thing actually works in 2 different ways. And that's what it's all about when you're packing on the road. You wanna have stuff that's multifunctional, and I love this thing.
Also, remember to pack stuff for all kinds of climates.
That's all this is. Whatever climate we find ourselves in, I'm gonna have something that's gonna be perfect for me.
And then it's always good to have some food in your car. Everything from snacks to keep you happy, but also some food that in case you break down, you've got something to survive off of for a little while.
Yeah, needless to say, we always have plenty of food with us.
We try to be creative in finding space and not just in the back. We've got this nice topper here that can store all of the little supplies that would end up cluttering your vehicle. It's super important stuff.
This is all the survival stuff.
Jumper cables, lights, other little things, straps to be able to strap things down. So that's your basic roadside kit there, but beyond that, sometimes you don't know if you're gonna come across another car, and that's where this thing really becomes handy. This tiny little battery, it's the size of a smartphone, can jumpstart your car, and that is a lifesaver when you're out on these roads where you're probably not gonna see anyone else.
I have used that thing. It's amazing.
I mean, from there, it's just like common sense stuff, you know, have some oil handy.
Extra water.
Yeah, the
just
water's
in case.
big. Water's huge.
Make sure you've got a first aid kit too. You can pick up one like this to stash in the glove box, under a seat, or in the car topper.
Have your stuff organized, and that's gonna help you stay safe out on the road.
And know where you're going.
Yeah.
Know if you're gonna be finding yourself in a place where there's not gonna be any services and help might be a long ways away. And it's never a bad idea to have a map.
Might be old school, but hey, that thing's never gonna fail.
Good to go? Let's go climb some rock, huh?
Oh yeah.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.